Good morning, everyone. Mrs. Walt here, and we're going to continue our phonics lesson today on consonant LE that we learned about yesterday. Brand new kind of syllable type. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you to get a piece of paper, and on the top of it, I want you to write consonant LE and line down the middle, and on the other side, not consonant LE. We're going to do a sort today, and you're going to do it with me. So get your paper. You should have it handy anyhow, and your pencil, and pause me for a minute if you need to, but otherwise let's get ready to go. Consonant. All those letters that are not vowels. All right, so if you remember our pattern yesterday, we were talking about the new syllable type, consonant LE, where there was a consonant followed by an LE. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking for today. So if you see a consonant LE, we're going to write it on this side. If it doesn't fit that syllable type pattern, it's going to go on this side. Okay, we ready? All right, first one, F-L-E. Very good, you're right. It's going to go on the consonant LE side. Okay. Ready? Which side is it going to go on? You should be writing it down. Very good if you said not consonant LE. That looks like a, whoops, vowel team to me. You should be writing it on the not consonant LE side. Okay, you got this? All right, here we go. Go ahead, sort. Which side is it going to go on? Consonant LE or not consonant LE? Okay, very good. You should have said not consonant LE because there's no L for one thing in this syllable, and I see a silent E, so it's not consonant LE. You should have written it on the not consonant LE side. You guys are getting good. All right. Write it down. Which side? This one or this one? Is it a consonant LE syllable or not? Very good. You should have said, Mrs. Walt, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't see an L in there at all, so it can't be a consonant LE. This looks like open to me. Looks like a Z. Ready? Okie dokie, here we go. B-L-E. Yeah, definitely. B is a consonant. L-E. Bull. Like able and table and fable. And I'm rhyming and I'm being annoying, right? Okay, ready? Here we go. Where is it going to go? Consonant LE or not consonant LE? You're right. It's not consonant LE. There definitely is no L or E in that syllable type. That looks like a open syllable to me. Looks like bay. Okay, ready? Here we go. Consonant LE or not consonant LE? Very good. Definitely, C is a consonant, followed by an L and an E. We would see this syllable type like on the end of icicle. Ready? Make your choice. Is it consonant LE or not? Very good. It is not. Don't get mixed up. It does have an L, but it's not in the right position, is it? That's a closed syllable. The E is going to say its short vowel sound. Or L. Rel. Not consonant LE. All right, ready? You guys are getting good. Yeah. Consonant LE. D. L-E, like the syllable in candle. Candle. Ready? Yes or no? Write it down. Think to yourself, well, I see an L, I see an E, but she is trying to trick me because that is not a consonant. That's a vowel. What do we have here? Silent E syllable. Very good if you put it on the not consonant LE side. Pat yourself on the back. How are you doing with these? I hope you're doing awesome. All right, ready? Well, for some reason, I'm looking at my board and we've already done this. Look. How did that get in my pile twice? Full, like in sniffle. Scratch that one. All right, ready? Consonant LE, yes or no? Find your vowels, or vowel, as I should say. Look at the pattern. Very good, it is not consonant LE. This is a closed syllable. There's my vowel, followed by one or more consonants. I'm going to stick it over here on this side. L. Ready? Awesome sauce. I could see people writing. I could just imagine it on the correct side. Consonant LE. Tool, like in turtle or title. All right, ready? Let's find my vowels. Oh, I see an L. She's trying to trick me again. Darn you, Mrs. Walt. You're right. It's not a consonant LE syllable. It's a vowel team followed by an L. You're right. This is not consonant LE. I'm going to stick my Dale over there. Rhymes with male and tail. Okay. Definitely don't see an L in that, do you? That syllable does not have an L at all. Can't be consonant LE. It's open. It's a Z. Pat yourself on the back if you got that right. All right, ready? There we go. Good job. PLE is definitely consonant P followed by an LE. Sorry if it looks like my handwriting is going downhill. All right, and let's go with the last one. Find your vowel. It has an L. It has an E. She's trying to trick us again. What kind of syllable type is this? You're right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Silent E. The vowel's going to say it's long vowel sound. That's a lipe. That is not a consonant LE. All right, I'm going to stick my lipe over here. So remember, as you're reading today, I want you to pay attention to those consonant LEs that you see inside, usually at the end of a word. It may have a D on the end or an S on the end. But remember, you're going to be looking for these and helping you. They're going to help you sound out words that you may not know. So remember, this could be like, I always think a sniffle. Snuffle, snuffle. Could go with a full bowl. Could be a table. Cool. I always think of icicle for that one. Dull could be can. Dull. Toll could be turtle. And po could be, oh, this is making me hungry, maple. All right, so remember, silent E syllable is never going to be by itself. It's always going to be with other syllable types, okay? So your job today, my readers, is to go out and look for those syllable types. Make sure you're using your sound out strategies, and you're going to amaze yourself with the words that you can sound out when you try. Okay? All right, Mrs. Walt saying, peace out, friends, and I will see you later. Bye for now.